Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, Z71 off-road package, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and chrome accents. You're going to these chrome running boards here, and these power adjustable, heated and ventilated bucket seats, super nice. Left side, you're going to have your trailer brake controller with your 204 wheel and lighting controls. With left side of steering wheel being your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, and your right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer control, you have your gauges, trip information, engine hours, as well as you can access audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. Classic key, classic color truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Bluetooth connectivity, as well as AM, FM radio. You can connect to OnStar navigation if included. And down below, you're gonna have the dual zone climate controls, as well as power adjustable pedals, cargo lamps, park assist, lane keep assist, and hill descent control. You're gonna have 2 USB ports, 2 12 volts, and an AC wall port. Lots of extra storage down in the center console, and more storage inside. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated. You're also gonna have the chrome cross with the double glove box, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and as well as your power sliding sunroof. You're getting these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Goodyear Workhorse all-terrain tires with the chrome mirror caps and door handles as well. Coming to the back, you're gonna have this Rev Industries hard folding cover with the corner step bumper, trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under with the Ranchero shocks. And you're gonna spray on Bedliner with your bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, I get more paneling storage next to speakers, built-in cup holder, power windows with the chrome accent. In the back, very good legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with the rear 12 volt and some extra storage. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Seats fold up for more storage. Lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ, equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, Goodyear all-terrain tires, power sliding sunroof, Z71 package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.